Hey everybody, Jason Lund with REI Blueprint. Hey, I'm coming to you guys from a rental property that we just acquired, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we found it and what's going on here. So I'm going to do a quick property tour and let you know on that. So this property came to us off of one of our alternative marketing strategies that we do, and that is networking. We go to a lot of networking events throughout our community, and meet different people, mayors of cities, CPAs, lawyers, so on and so forth. We let them know what they do, what we do. We give them the information so they can search us and see that we are a credible company. And when they get clients that come through, they're sending us leads. So, like I said, that's how we found this deal. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on it as we go through here. So, like I said, we just bought it. So we're in the process of ripping everything out. So we took the appliances out, and because this is a rental, we're just going to leave the kitchen cabinets and stuff like that in here. But all the flooring is going to get ripped out. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. So you can see the front living room there. And there's actually beautiful hardwoods underneath the entire floor in this whole house. So here's 1 bedroom. But this should be a pretty good, quick, easy project. We actually, our budget on this one is actually pretty high, and I'll show you guys why when I get down to the basement. But we figure we're probably going to put about $6,000 with a brand new bathroom in this home, with paint and getting all the outlets and stuff switched and getting new lights and getting it all really cleaned up in here. But you can see, like I said, all the hardwood floors in here are beautiful. But so we'll run downstairs and I'll show you why our rehab budget is high. So this house has a 2-car detached garage. So to give you guys numbers on a property like this, we're all into it for about, I think, $80,000. And we'll get about $1,400 a month for rent out of it. So anybody that knows quick rental numbers, we're going to be cash flowing pretty good on this. So, but this is why we're getting cheap. I don't know if you guys can see all this, but we got some serious foundation issues. You can see cruising down here. See these big giant gaps in here. All of this. So all the way around the exterior of this home, it's going to have to be excavated. And there's a basement system in here already that they're going to actually have to remove and then come back through and fix. So, like you can see right here, look at that separation right there on that. Pretty crazy, huh? But yeah, that's there's some serious deflection going on in here. So, like I said, an amazing property. Like I said, we're going to be all into it for about 80 grand, and we're going to get 13, 14, possibly even more cash flow out of it. So, if you want to learn more how we did this deal and how we structure all of our stuff, make sure to join us at the next REI Blueprint BootCamp, and I'll be there, and I'll show you guys exactly what I do. Look forward to seeing y'all. Bye-bye.